Let's see our next topic, duration of bond. What is duration of bond? Duration of bond is the weighted average time period up to which the initial investment is fully recovered. So the time period of the bond is to be like that the initial investment is fully recovered. It is called duration of bond. It can be solved within a formula. This one. It can be done in the tabular format also. We can see in tabular format. It might be somehow easy. Let's see how we can do that. For example, it's a model question. Let's see. Bond is equals to 1000 KD. Interest is equals to 17%. Interest is equals to 6% per annum. Maturity is equals to 5 years. Let's see the answer. For example, here amount of cash flows received, annuity factor, cash flows into annuity factor, weighted average, right? Year 1 we receive 60 rupees, 1000 into 6%, 60 rupees, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50 year 2 cash flows, 60, 60, 60, 60, 1000. Annuity factor at the rate of 17%, which is equals to 0.855, 0.731, 0.624, 0.534, 0.456, 0.456. So 1, 2, 3. 2 into 3, which is equals to 51.3, 43.86, 37.44, 32.04, 27.36, 45.6, right? Here sigma means total, which is equals to 648. Now weight into 4, which is equals to 51.3, 87.72, 112.32, 128.16, 36.80, 22.80. Sigma W, which is equal to 2796.3, right? So weighted average period is equals to sigma XW by sigma W, which means 2796.3 by 648, which is equals to 4.135 years, right? So we can do by this way. We can buy this formula or in table format, anything is fine. It is easy in my opinion. Okay, decision based on the duration. When other things remains constant, lower the duration, better the bond. The low, if duration of the bond is low, it is the better, it give better results. Now modified duration is equals to duration of the bond by 1 plus kd. Remember, percentage change in bond minus modified duration into change in kd. After that, after solving this thing, we get some value. From that, BO minus this thing x, BO minus x percentage is equal to required value. Right? Understood? Bond immunization. In bonds, there is a two risks majorly. One is price risk and one is investment risk, reinvestment risk. Because of that, the bonds are somehow affected with risk, right? So when interest rate increases, bond rate will decrease. Interest rate decreases, bond rate will increase. So for protecting from that risks, there is concept called bond immunization. What is bond immunization? Holding period of the bond must be equal to the weighted average duration of the bond, right?